Wow. Okay. This is so weird.
Guess who's back again.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I should be the one being welcomed back to my own channel because sis, it's been a while. I literally haven't recorded a video in like 6 months. Maybe even more than 6 months. Oh my gosh. Oh. Let's go get some coffee. Pretty much, I just want to be real about it and say that like I've been trying to like shift my energy. I just was in this weird place for the last like half a year. I'm trying to go back to the things that I loved doing before, which recording is one of them, and making videos and just like being creative in general. I don't think you guys even understand like how like low-key proud I am that I even have this camera set up and my lights.
Like, you don't understand, sister.
But another way that I usually like feel even just a smidge better about myself is if I put on makeup. So I figured we could like just get ready. I'm not going anywhere, but like putting on a lash, honey, listen. Let me see if I can even like get my life back together. I'm gonna get this set up. Let's see if I still have it in me. Okay, hold on. I think we're back. All right, so hopefully this is good. I don't even know. Like I said, all of this feels so freaking like new right now that I'm just like, okay, let's get this going, man.
Coronavirus!
So like I said, 6 months ago, I recorded or at least uploaded my last video. And pretty much 6 months ago, I just got into this weird phase. It was literally like the perfect storm of like YouTube social media stuff, work stuff, mixed with like my own personal stuff, like all at once, all at one time, like the perfect storm that just kind of sent me spiraling. Which at the time, I didn't really know. I mean, I knew, but I don't know. I mean, it sent me into this, what I thought was gonna be just like, it became a whole phase of my life. I don't wanna go deep into it, but I mean, I was depressed, I guess. I mean, not I guess, like I was. It's weird because I'm not someone who has ever been depressed. I've heard people talk about depression and I never felt it myself. And this was something that, it was like an experience that kind of like shifted completely the way I felt about myself, completely like just, it was a lot. It was a lot. So I went to Target and I did what I do. But I bought e.l.f. foundation and I don't know why. I think I was thinking it was like another brand. Like there's a brand that looks like this and I was like, oh, I want to try. And for some reason I wasn't thinking and it was e.l.f. Like I don't know why I bought e.l.f. foundation, but I'm gonna try it. If not, I have my trusty Maybelline Fit Me.
Like what if it's bomb though?
Wait. Oh, okay. Okay. Do you see how light this is? This was the second to darkest shade out of the bottle. Are you kidding me? Okay, no. I'm returning this. I'm not gonna lie, this is really messed up, but in the last like 6 months I've lost, like at one point I was down literally 20 pounds. Hadn't been to the gym in months. Like I had no desire to do YouTube, and it sucked because at one point that was like my whole goal, and I had this whole vision. Like believe me guys, I was super motivated, had a lot of goals, had things that I wanted to do, was doing them every day, and then just completely lost all desire. I mean like not even like, oh I don't feel like doing it today, but like I don't even want to move. Yeah, that was a thing.
She was a lean, she went to Gucci.
By the way, I'm able to talk about it now. Obviously at the time it was very sad. I mean, it is still sad. It's like literally now, like I said, I'm just so proud of myself for even like wanting to record, for getting in front of the camera. And it literally takes these little things. Like, I want to be more authentic with you guys because this is real shit that people feel, especially in this quarantine now. I mean, a lot of us, all of us, even if we come on here and look so happy and look so cute and all this stuff, like that's not how I feel. Listen to me. And I know that there are times when it's like I'm not getting out of this bed, got it. But if you can and you put on a wig, honey, like don't even, like we haven't even gotten to the lashes yet.
But if you can put on a wig and some makeup and a lash, honey,
it's like going on Snapchat, putting on a filter, feeling bomb, except the filter stays, you know what I mean? By the way, we reached 1,000 subscribers. This is crazy. That's why I'm like, y'all have been holding it down. That's the crazy thing. That's what's so amazing. It's like, even when you're down, life keeps going on. I definitely believe in law of attraction, manifesting, all of that. That's what I'm really passionate about, is like mindset, up-leveling our lives, and feeling just like genuinely good. And like that's why I wanted to come on here even when I'm not like fully healed and fully like back to 1,000%, you know what I mean, back to my full girl boss. I still wanted to come on here now and like go through the journey with you guys, go through the journey of like picking yourself up and every day just doing one thing that can make you feel better and that can get you back on the track that you wanted to be on. Y'all are about to see my favorite part of the whole makeup process. My favorite part of the whole like feel better process is putting on a lash, okay? It was amazing to like get out of the, not out of the slump, but at least be like feeling like I'm crawling out of it and then see 1,000 subscribers. It just, I don't know. I'm like happy or whatever. Just like going through the process of like putting on the makeup, listening to your music, just genuinely like, at least for me, and I know a lot of women, it's like therapeutic, you know what I mean? You can't tell her anything, okay? Oh, whatever. You can't tell her a thing. Better than any wine you can purchase right here. No. Literally, just feels some type of way. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. I do feel like the last 6 months have changed me, which I am, I'm 25, so I feel like I'm at this age where it's like, you feel like every day is a freaking like quarter life crisis, but you know, we're like trying to figure out our career, trying to probably figure out your relationships, trying to just, you know, like trying to just make sense of things. You're making mistakes. Like some of them feel huge, feel like the end of the world. And you meet people who are like, oh yeah, been there, done that. Was horrible, but made it through. You know, like whatever it is, it feels really intense. I'm gonna put on my brown vampy look. Okay guys. So now we can see the before and after. And I feel like you can even tell, like I can tell the before and after of like the way I was feeling too. I don't want to go all mushy or anything, but this video really does mean a lot to me, guys. Like I said, I mean, I know that I seem very like upbeat, happy now, and I'm really good at like putting on that face, but I really do want to start showing up and showing you guys true authenticity. Even when it's hard, even when it's embarrassing, I want to show you guys all the parts, like even when I don't feel like it, even when we're all sad, like doing things even when we're scared, doing things even when we're hurt, when we're sad, that we know will make us feel better. I don't want to get all mushy. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again for holding it down. We're over 1,000 subscribers, guys. I'm just like so grateful for this feeling of like wanting to get back into it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.